Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to unpack RAR and ZIP files on your OPPO A96 using app code RAR. So in order to do that, we'll need to open our app and from here locate the files that we want to unpack. Mine are located in DCIM and then camera. So as you can see, there's a pictures.rar right here, and now simply press on it. If it's protected by the password, you'll need to enter the password. I'm just gonna do it like that and then press OK. From here you'll get the access to these files, and if you want to unpack everything, don't press anything here. Simply choose this arrow with pointing up, or if you want to unpack specific files, select them with a button right here and then press this yet again. So now we can start changing options for the extraction of this file. And first thing is to pick browse and select where we want to unpack the files, and mine are going for movies right here. And the next option is to ask before overwrite without prompt, or skip existing files. I'm gonna skip existing files, and you can enable keep broken files, do not extract paths, or display extracted files. So after everything is set up, we can press OK. And our files will be unpacked. Let's move manually to the movies, and here we can find 2 photos. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.